Good morning. Good morning, Ageless Beauties. Hold on, let me get it set up so I can see you right. I need to see you right. Yes, there we go. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon or good evening whenever you decide to watch this video. So, how y'all doing today? It's me, Jane B. And you know who I am. I am Jane B, a beautypreneur who has been in the industry for over 20 years as a makeup artist and as a licensed natural hairstylist. I'm a beauty instructor and a coach, and I specialize in core confidence building from the inside out. So that's who I am. Okay, you got all that? All right. So today is all about 5 tips to get you out the door fast and fabulous. And I'm going to tell you why it's getting you out the door fast and fabulous. It's getting you out the door fast and fabulous so you don't have to be in traffic trying to put on eyeliner and getting poked in the eye, or you not on the train pulling out a compact if you live with it, it's a train. And, you know, people are putting makeup on their face while people are hovering over them, or you running in the job and you trying to throw something on real quick. You don't have to do that, because I'm going to show you right now 5 ways to get out the house looking fast and fabulous and looking like you care a little bit, because it's all about looking like you care. Good morning, Avis. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for joining me this morning. So remember, there's 5 tips that I'm going to give you right now to get you out your door looking fabulous when you step out the door. We don't want to get fabulous in the car or at the job or wherever we're going. We want to start off fabulous, okay? So here we go. Here are the 5 simple ways to get you fabulous out the door. Number 1, you can always use powder. Just get a powder brush and put powder on your face. Just you can use a nice, healthy powder, something that will just take the shine off of your face. Okay, so that's number 1. What's the first thing? Powder. Because powder takes down the shine. Because, you know, shine is never cute. You know, just having a whole bunch of shine going on is never the business. But if you can just at least tone down that shine, that's the first step. Okay, so number 1, powder. Number 2, to get you out the house in a flash, looking fabulous, is blush. Blush, because blush adds color. It brings back the color to your face, because sometimes powder will just have you looking flat, but then the blush could bring the color, and you could just blush around your whole face. Just blush. Okay, that's simple. Just make sure, you know, is what you need, is your tone, is your color, you know, something that's gonna like complement your skin tone. And that's what you can use. You can use some blush. So remember, number 1 is powder. Number 2 is blush. Okay, y'all got that? All right. So the third thing that you could use to get you out your house quick, fast, and in a hurry and looking fabulous is concealer. Why concealer? Because sometimes if you have those dark eyes, you know, if you have the darkness under the eyes and things like that, it could just make you look tired even if you're not tired. It could be 12 noon, but you could look like it's midnight because you got the dark circles under the eyes or things like that. So concealer is a quick way to make sure you get that instant look, that instant wake up, that instant I'm here, I'm alive, okay? And if you guys agree with anything I'm saying, drop me down a comment, drop down some emojis and let me know, Jane, this is good. This is what I need to hear. And also, if you have your own tips to getting out fast, drop them down in the comments, okay? So number 1 is powder. Number 2 is blush. Number 3 is concealer. And number 4, to get you out the house fast and fabulous, is mascara. Eyes are the windows to the soul. We know that, right? So when you put that mascara on, you're instantly popping. Pop, 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 pop. That's what it is. Hi, good morning, Chanel. How are you? Yes. Yes. Thanks, Avis. Avis said she uses everything I've mentioned so far. So remember, let's just go over that. Number 1 to get you out the house fast and fabulous is powder. Number 2, blush. Number 3, concealer. Number 4, mascara. And number 5, you can never go wrong with some. Okay? You can never go wrong with lip gloss because we know the lips, you're talking to people, that brings attention to your mouth. And all of these things, these 5 quick tips that I'm showing you, it just shows that you care a little bit. Okay? Sometimes that look of, putting on the eyeliner at the traffic light, sometimes putting on that liner at the traffic light, that shows that I'm rushing. That shows that I'm not settled. That shows that I'm just, everything in my life is frantic, so I got to make it look real quick. But you can walk out your door. You can walk to the car looking fabulous if you follow these 5 quick, simple steps. You need me to go over them again? All right, I'll do that. Number 1, powder. Can't go wrong with powder. Take down the shine. Yes. Number 2, blush. Get that blush just to make you look alive. Make you look alive. Make you look alive. Okay? Number 3, thank you for those hearts. Yes. Number 3, concealer. Because we want to conceal those dark circles. We want to look like we are awake. We want to look like we are reborn with clear eyes. Number 4 is mascara because eyes are the windows to the soul and it pops and it pops. So make sure like when your eyes are popping, everything's popping. So you always want to use mascara. And number 5 is lip gloss. That could be a clear gloss. That could be a colored gloss if it matches your skin tone. But those are the things that you need to get you out of your house fast. Good morning out there, everyone. Thank you, Chanel, for dropping that information down in the comment section. And if you have any tips that are amazing for you, drop them down in the comment section. Let me know if this has helped you this morning. Definitely drop some emojis, drop some hearts. Let me know that you are getting something from this. Because remember, it's all about being cute when you leave the house, not on the way, not on the train. And not in the jar bathroom. You want to be cute when you leave the house. So we're just going to go over that one more time just to make sure you got it, okay? All right. Number 1, powder. Number 2, blush. Number 3, concealer. Number 4, mascara. And number 5, lip gloss. Yes, 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 yes. So remember to share this with your ageless beauties. Listen, it's not good if you just know it by yourself because we want all the ageless beauties together to be fabulous. So if you know some ageless beauties out there, share and let them know that Jane B is having a Ageless Beauty Morning meetup where I'm giving tips because it's all about confidence, core confidence from the inside out. So that's what this is all about. So definitely share, comment, subscribe, whatever you need to do to make sure that this is where you are in the building, just do that, okay? So definitely, also too, if you want to just kind of know where you are in your journey, your beauty journey, you could just hit the link in the description. It's bit.ly/Ageless Beauty Now. It's just a quick little assessment so you can know where you are in this whole beauty thing. Okay? Yes, 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 yes. Yes, thank you so much for sharing. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is where it's at, y'all. Morning makeup meetup with your girl, Jane B. Okay? So until then, make sure you let people know where you are at 7 a.m. in the morning getting fabulous. And make sure when you go over these tips again, that you leave the house looking fabulous. Hey, Nikki, good morning. How are you? Good morning. Yes, 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 yes. How can we work with you? Okay. How can you work with me? You could drop down a comment in the comments and say, Jane, I'd love to work with you. I'd love to know more about being confident, the core confidence from the inside out. You could just drop me, you could inbox me. You can let me know that you want to seek out my, some help, because that's what I do. I'm a beauty coach, and I help build confidence from the inside out with your beauty. And yeah, that's how you get in touch with me. So if you guys want more, you want to know more, you want a little more in depth, you want to know more details, and you want to know things that are focused for you, not just cookie cutter, but focused for you and your beauty. Hi, Tina. Good morning. Good morning. So yes. Yes, 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 yes. So that's it. Yes, Chanel Washington says she wants to know more. So that's it. If you want to know more, if these tips have helped you, definitely drop down in the comment section, let me know that these tips have helped you get out the house fast and fabulous from the door. I like that. Fast and fabulous from the door. Not in the car. From the door. Not the car. From the door. Okay? Yes. I am in... Where am I? Okay. Well, I'm in New York. New York City. I'm in New York City, but if you want to follow me on social media, I'm on a few places. Facebook, I'm at Jane B Natural Beauty. That's my Facebook page. I also have Instagram. My Instagram is did I just have a brain fog? My Instagram is Ageless Beauty by JB, and I have an additional Instagram, Jane B Natural Beauty. I'm just gonna answer some quick questions. It says, I want hair like yours. I need to make a trip to you. Hey, come on, Nikki, you can make a trip to me. I like that from the... Yes. New York City in the building. Any New Yorkers in the building? Where are you from? Shout me out. Let me know where you guys are from. Let me know. Just, shout it out. Shout it out in the messages. Let me know where y'all are from. Are y'all in the same time zone? Okay. So let me know. Definitely let me know. Yes. Ageless Beauty by JB. That's it. Ageless Beauty by JB. At Jane B Natural Beauty. Also, if you go follow me on Twitter, I am at Ageless Beauty by JB. Okay? Yes, Flint, Michigan is in the building. Flint, Michigan is in the building. Yes. Philly girl in the A is in the building. Cincinnati in the building. Oh. So we got a little bit of East Coast. We got a little Midwest. Yes. I love it. All right. Look at all these ageless beauties in the building. See, ageless beauties get up early. Oh, yeah. Ageless beauties get up early. Oh, yes, they do. And they come and they join this little forum right here. And I just love it. I love it. All right, guys. Well, listen. Do you need me to go over the tips again? Or you think you got it? Do you need to hear the 5 tips again? Or do you have it? And if you're watching this and it's not live, make sure you hit replay. Make sure you type replay in the comments, okay? But if you want me to go over them, I'll go over them one more time. You know you are cute today. Oh, hold on. All right. Y'all need the tips? Or y'all got it? Y'all got it? So y'all know y'all going to be cute from the door. So that's what we want. Cute from the door. I'm about to get See, this is what I'm saying. This forum should inspire you to care a little bit. Just a little bit. This forum here is just to inspire you to say, you know what, I care too. So let me just do a little something before I walk out the door. Okay, so Tina wants to know one more time. We're going to go over the 5 steps to get you out the door fast and fabulous from the door. You want to be fabulous from the door, not in the car, from the door. All right, number 1, powder. You're going to get powder on your face, take down that shine. We got to get the shine down. Get the shine way down. Number 2 is blush, because that blush, like if you naturally blush, I don't know, girls, do you naturally blush? But if you blush, you're going to get that color. So we want to bring light, because powder can flatten you out, but the blush is going to bring light. Blush is like the blood rushing to your face, okay? Number 3 is concealer. You need concealer. So we want to blank out all that darkness and all the stuff going on. And then number 4 is mascara. Mascara, because the eyes are the windows to the soul. When you talk to people, when you look at people, you need to make sure their eyes are popping. You need to make, your eyes are popping. So number 4, mascara. And then number 5, the gloss of your choice. Be it clear gloss, be it colored gloss. So see, y'all see me? I didn't even talk about my look today. Today I'm giving you a little smoke. Wait, hold on, let me pull the camera closer. I'm doing a little smoky with my wing liner, because you know I love my wing liner. I'm doing smoky with wing liner, and I'm giving you some berry lips today. Yes. What's coming up next? Just keep following me here at Ageless Beauty, because I'm giving some tips next. I'm giving more tips to help you get out the house, to be amazing, and to build that confidence from the inside out. So that is what's coming up. Definitely, you're going to get I'm sorry, I just had a brain fog again. I have some information for you, some free information, some information that's going to help you just know where you are and your guide, your ultimate guide. So just be on the lookout for the ultimate guide for your beauty, okay? Thank you, Tina. Yes, Tina says she loves concealer. Yes, it's all about that concealer, just making sure you look reborn, okay? Yes, we need more confidence. Yes, confidence from the inside out, because you could be beat out, slayed, and still have no confidence, okay? So imagine confidence on the inside and slayage on the outside. They're not going to be able to handle you. They're not even going to be able to handle you. If you got confidence and beat, child. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I really, truly appreciate you. Definitely share this forum. Let people know where you come at 7 a.m. in the morning or whenever you're watching this, afternoon, evening. But definitely share the word so that you could be an Ageless Beauty and all your friends and family can be Ageless Beauties together, okay? But that's it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Definitely catch me every weekday morning right here at Jane B Natural Beauty, and we are all talking about ageless beauty. Yes. And yeah. So wait, one more question. Love Nikki says, would you call your hair dreads? I cut my hair and want dreads. What's the process with? Oh, okay. No, Nikki, these are called sister locks. That's what these are, which are like they're like locks. They're locks, but they're just a thinner version, which enables you to style it like open hair. Okay. That's what it is. So I love it. I've had my hair now 9 years. It'll be 9 years. And I shaved the sides, and I'm just now letting them grow back. So I'm happy. Yeah. But definitely hit me up, Nikki, if you want more information. And I will definitely get back to you. Okay, guys? But thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you guys so much. Have an amazing day. Whatever you decide to do, make it great, make it amazing, make it ageless, and make it fabulous. Okay? I'll talk to you guys soon.